For Unit 5, Quiz 1 Practice, it says that triangle RST, U is the midpoint of RS, V is the midpoint, and so is W. What is the length of RS? So RS, this means this is also 19, since this part is 19. And 19 plus 19 is 38. To find X, I would set these two equal to each other. So 2x equals 21. That would give me 10.5. And then, since I have to find the perimeter in number 6, I'll go ahead and put that ST is 21 plus 21, which is 42. So I know I'm going to take 38 plus 42 plus the third side here in a minute. Okay, so then to find y, I'm going to do 3y equals 34.8. And if we take 34.8 divided by 3, we get that's 11.6. And then 34.8 times 2 for both of these lengths, that is 69.6. Okay. So then, what is the length of UW? Okay, so it is the length. It's half the length of its parallel side. So this is UW. The parallel side is ST. So it means that it's going to be 21. Okay? 21. And then for UV, what is the length of UV? This is the parallel side. And so that would be 34.8. Okay. For number 7, it tells us that C, P, and T are all midpoints of the triangle. So we know that these are all mid-segments here inside the triangle. PT is 6. That means that CE is 6 and so is CA, which makes that whole side 12. Okay, so AE is 12. EN is 20, so EN is 20. And that makes half of it be 10, which is CT. Then CP is 8. So if I double that, we get 16. So AN is 16. So to get the perimeter, I need to add 12, 16, and 20, which is 48. Okay. Now, for number 8, to solve for X, we know that this length is twice of this length. So we could say 2 times the small length equals the big length. Okay. And if I go ahead and multiply this out, we get 8x plus 1 Okay, so if I subtract 8, we get 3. If we add 25, we get 26. And that would give us 8.6. Repeating. Oh, you know what? 2 times 1 is 2. Alright, so if I add 25, that gives me 27. And if I divide, I get 9. Okay. Alright, number 9. QRS are all midpoints of the triangle. Okay. Find X in the perimeter of the triangle MNP. So we're finding the large triangle. All right, so if this side is 40, then this is 80. If this is 52, then this is 104. So we've taken 80 plus 104 plus whatever this side is. All right, so then this means we're going to take this times 2 to equal the big length. Okay, so if I distribute, I get 30x minus 34 equals 23x minus 6. If I subtract, I get 7x. And if I add 34, I get 28. Okay, so 28 divided by 7 is 4. Now, to get this length, I need to plug 4 back into this. So I'm going to do 23 times 4 minus 6. So 92 minus 6 equals 86. Now I need to add 80, 104, and 86 to get my perimeter. So that would be 270 units. On number 10, you have to just mark if it's an orthocenter or if it's a centroid. So because these are congruent here, that means these are midpoints. Okay, all these are congruent, so these are all midpoints. If they're midpoints, they were medians. If they are medians, then the middle where they meet is called the centroid. So that goes with medians. For orthocenter, these have to be the orthocenter right here, or this point is, because all of these lines coming from a vertex create a perpendicular angle. If it creates a perpendicular angle, those are altitudes, which create an orthocenter.